Okay, hello Cloud Gurus. You can now export and import your Amazon Lex chatbot schemas. AWS are about to launch a new region, but also a new type of region. New AWS services are now available in Paris. Speaking of Paris, we're at Serverlessconf Paris right now, and we announced the winner of Guru of the Week. I'm Ryan Kroonenberg, and you're watching AWS This Week. So you can now export and import your Amazon Lex chatbot schemas. And for those of you that don't know, AWS Lex is a service used for building conversational interfaces into any application using voice and text. It's the technology that powers Alexa. Now previously, when configuring your Lex bots, you had to use the console or GUI, and it could be really time consuming to create multiple bots. You can now export and import your Amazon Lex chatbot definitions as a JSON file, and the JSON configuration file contains the structure of your Lex chatbot, including the intent schemas, the utterances, the slots, the prompts, and the slot types, and can now import these into the same or different AWS accounts, saving you an awful lot of time. So are AWS about to launch a new region in Japan? Well, earlier this week, users on Reddit were complaining that their Python scripts were starting to break when running the command describe regions. And a new region started appearing called the Osaka-local region and kept coming back as a result. Now on the AWS global infrastructure page, it states that the Asia-Pacific Osaka local region is a local region, which is a new type of region that comprises of an isolated, fault-tolerant infrastructure design located within a single data center. The Asia-Pacific Osaka local region consists of one availability zone and is intended to be used in conjunction with the Asia-Pacific Tokyo region. So this is a completely new type of region. It's kind of a mix between a region and an availability zone. And maybe we'll see some more in the future. Who knows? Time will tell. So there are some new AWS services now available in Paris. So which services, you might ask? Well, network load balancing for one. NLBs are designed to handle millions of requests per second while maintaining ultra-low latencies and are optimized to handle volatile traffic patterns while using a single static IP address per availability zone. It actually operates at the connection layer, so at layer 4, routing connections to Amazon EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses based on the IP protocol data. It also preserves the client-side source IP, which allows your applications to see the IP address of the client that can be connected and used by the applications for further processing. We also have some new Direct Connect locations located in Paris at the Equinix PA3 Paris data center. So speaking of Paris, we are at Serverlessconf Paris right now, and it's a 2-day event. The workshops were yesterday on Valentine's Day, and the talks are today. There's 17 speakers across 14 different talks, and it's been organized by D2SI by Devo team. The speakers are from AWS, from Google, from IBM, from Expedia, IOPipe, and many other different companies. And I'm going to speak at the end. I'm going to talk about the future of serverless as well as SpaceX. It's a really, really interesting talk. All talks will be recorded, and they'll be available on the ACG website shortly. And so on to Guru of the Week, and this week's correct answer was A. About 50% of the people got it right. Shyam Kumar had the best explanation. Shyam is from Changanacheri in India. Hopefully I've pronounced that right, Shyam, and he works for Accenture. You've got an exclusive t-shirt, sticker, and hand-signed card out to you in the post, and you're in the draw to win a free ticket to reInvent 2018. The reason why answer A was correct is on our discussion forums. Again, the link is below, and a new question is now live on our Facebook page. Again, the link is below. Well, au revoir from Paris Cloud Gurus, and I'll see you next week.